Ever wondered how a simple tweet or a Facebook post can transform a brand's image? Welcome to the world of social media marketing, a landscape where a clever caption, a well-timed post, or a viral hashtag can catapult a brand into the spotlight. In our hyper-connected digital age, social media marketing has become more than just an option. It's a necessity. It's the bridge between brands and consumers, a platform for dialogue, engagement, and relationship building. Traditional marketing has its charm, but the unprecedented reach and immediacy of social media have revolutionized the game. Let's take a look at Tesla, for instance. By leveraging Twitter, they've managed to cultivate a passionate community, generate buzz around their innovations, and engage directly with their audience, all while shaping their brand image. The power of social media marketing is undeniable. It's a tool that, when wielded with strategy and creativity, can take a brand from obscurity and place it under the global spotlight. Just like how Tesla has leveraged Twitter, any brand can use social media to reach out to a large audience and create an impact. But how do you ensure that your social media marketing strategy hits the right chord? Well, let's dive in. The first step is understanding your target audience. Knowing their interests, behaviors, and demographics is key to creating content that resonates with them. Next, you need to create engaging content. The content should be unique, interesting, and relevant to your audience. It should tell a story, evoke emotion, or provide value. Let's take Airbnb as an example. They use Instagram to highlight their unique listings and experiences, using vibrant images and compelling captions to draw in their audience. Lastly, consistency is key. You need to maintain a regular posting schedule and consistent brand image across all your social media platforms. This helps to keep your brand at the forefront of your audience's mind and build a strong brand identity. A well-thought-out strategy, just like Airbnb's, can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level and build a loyal customer base. So what does the future hold for social media marketing? As we look ahead, we see several growing trends that are paving the way for the next generation of social media marketing. Influencer marketing, for instance, is taking center stage. It's not just about celebrities anymore. Micro-influencers with their niche audiences and authentic connections are becoming increasingly popular. Then there's video content. The saying, "show, don't tell," has never been more relevant. Videos are engaging, shareable, and can convey a message in a much more compelling way than text or images alone. And let's not forget about personalized ads. By leveraging data and analytics, brands can tailor their content to suit individual preferences, just like Coca-Cola. They've used influencer marketing and personalized ads to reach a wider audience and increase engagement. Staying abreast with trends, just like Coca-Cola, can help you stay ahead in the game and leverage the full potential of social media marketing.